Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video in the course of Java 8 series. In this video, we'll start with a straightforward question. How can we process our data in parallel in Java using Lambda expression and the stream API? First, let us understand where our data typically resides in Java application. The answer is simple. Most of our objects live within instance of collections. This could be a list, set, sorted set, map, or other type within the collection API. The collection framework has been fundamental to Java for years. It is essential to know how to handle it effectively. The next question is, can we process this data using Lambda expressions? Let's walk through an example with classic list of customers. What we want to do here is to write a code using list.forEach as a lambda expressions to define a consumer. This consumer will perform an action on each object in our list like printing each customer's information. Alternatively, we have more concise syntax using method reference. This approach does the same thing, but some find it more readable. Both methods perform equally well, so choose whichever syntax feels clearer to you. You may ask question, where does this for each method comes from? Traditionally in Java, adding a new method to an existing interface, in our example, it is an iteratable interface, requires updating all the classes that implement it. If for each was added to Java in Java 7, we would have to refactor every class using the interface, a nearly impossible task due to its wide range of uses. How to add this method to iteratable in that case? Java 8 has introduced a default method, a revolutionary feature that let us add the new methods to an interface without needing to modify the existing implementation. A default method includes a default keyword allowing the Java to keep backward compatibility without requiring adding refactoring across the application. Default method brings flexible way to enhance the interfaces and enable new programming patterns. Java 8 also introduces static methods in interfaces, allowing even more power and flexible within the language. Let's dive into an example of powerful pattern enabled by default and static methods in Java interfaces. Starting with the predicate interface, from Java 8 Functional Interfaces Toolbox in java.utils.function, we can explore how to create flexible and reusable methods. Here is an example with two predicates. One check if the string's length is under 20, while other checks if it is over 10. Using the end method in the predicate interface, we can combine these two checks with a simple end boolean operator. The end method in predicate is a default method, so no custom implementation is needed. It is already built in into the interface. Inside this end method, another predicate can be added as a parameter. It can test each condition and returns true if both conditions are met, making straightforward and efficient. Java 8 also provides static method with functional interfaces like is equal in predicate. This is equal method, which is static, creates a predicate that compares a given string with a target string. It uses target dot equals of the given string within the lambda expression to return true or false based on the comparison. These methods demonstrate how can we build complex yet clean APIs using Java 8 and new functional interfaces capabilities for easier and more readable code. Please like and subscribe for more Java 8 insights. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in the next videos.